Hello guys, this is dynamic precision screwdriver, electric screwdriver. Which has LED lights. There is a lot of electric screwdrivers there, but I have chosen this. You can check on Amazon. So it's a rechargeable. Standby time is 180 days. Maximum speed 395 RPM. So which has 4 LED lights and maximum speed is 395. So the battery is 14,500 mAh. You can use it for PlayStation console or for mobile or Xbox, which has Torx bits. So I'm going to unbox it. So these are the screws, bits, it's kind of pen type. So these are the charging portion. So battery is there. Okay. Super cool. So if you want to charge it right, you can charge. So you need to plug like this and you can charge it. It's charging now. So once charging is completed, right, you can remove and you can insert it. So this is for light. So this button will work for light. So just press to turn it off or turn it on. The first button is to tighten the screw. You press right, it will rotate. Actually, security Torx also is there. So if it has holes, right, this is security Torx. And this one is for reverse. So I'm going to use it for my mobile. I think this will be perfect. Yes. So what I'm going to do is, it's opened. So really this electric screwdriver is very, very good. Okay, fine. Okay. So now we can attach. So it's very easy. This is really worth. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback and media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.